We are Danny,
Melissa,
Emma, Jake,
and we are 4 Simple Lives.
Coming to you from Camp Margaritaville in Auburndale, and we are definitely fast forwarding a little bit in our timeline, but we wanted to get this video out because we are attending the RV Unplugged Season 2 rally, and it's been so much fun. We've had a great time. We had to dodge a hurricane. Actually, we didn't dodge it because we went straight through it. But yes, my birthday was on day 1, and so it's been a great week, and so I hope you enjoy the video about the rally.
You're gonna have to pronounce it correctly.
Just draw one out and put it in my hand.
And I need to walk up with a piece of paper in his hand already. Is this it right here?
That's it.
Okay, here we go. William Range.
Where we at?
So we just finished up night 1 at the RV Unplugged rally. We just had the opening ceremonies. Jake got called up on stage.
Yeah.
He was super stoked about that, to pick a ticket for someone to win a t-shirt. And then we got our official wannabe RV Unplugged contestants. So this next 3 days, all we're doing is trying out for RV Unplugged.
Let's do it again. Yes.
Camera behind you, Rich. Whoa, okay. Looking out. Oh, he's looking you down. I will say, I think he's thrown the hardest of anybody so far, just so you know. Good reaction time, Bill.
I'll give him a high five in the cage.
Now that is one way to do it. All right, Bill, I thank you.
Mom's in a dinosaur, Dad's in a flamingo.
Dad forgot his name tag, so Jake had to run all the way back.
Why'd you make me do that?
You're a hero, man. All right, y'all, so we are at night 2 of RV Unplugged rally. Tonight is casino night, and we're making money that's gonna go to charity for one child. Is that the charity?
Yes.
One child. And we're gonna play some poker, and we're gonna play some craps. at RV Unplugged Day 3. We just had coffee and donuts and a Q&A session with the cast. Super cool, got a little BTS action. That's behind the scenes, if that kind of sounded weird actually. Behind the scenes action, yeah. Now we're heading over to partake in the second day of the cornhole tournament. And then that we got kicked out of yesterday.
We didn't make it.
And then they're gonna have Todd's doing a big beard battery discussion, solar, lithium. So yesterday was part 1, today's part 2. Then we roll into it's trivia? Is it trivia? RV Unplugged trivia, and then we're gonna head to, what's next? There's like a bingo, singo?
Oh,
it's like a
singo?
karaoke bingo. Doing a More Ride, demonstration products from More Ride. And I'm sure we'll find a few minutes where we can sneak off to the tiki bar.
Yep.
Oh, and they're gonna do the raffle tickets.
And they're gonna do the raffle tickets, and then the big reveal tonight, we get to watch the final episode, the finale of RV Unplugged Season 2.
Yeah.
Which Dad has always been on Blue, Team Phil.
Yeah.
And these three, well, this one has always been on Team Red.
I have.
Stacy.
I made it, I switched.
And these two,
I'm
they've
on
been
red.
flip-flopping, but they're all on red right now.
I'm on blue now.
No,
okay,
he's
so-
trying to flip again.
What do we all think? Jake, who are you? Blue or red?
Blue.
Dad's blue.
Blue.
I'm blue.
I'm red.
You're not blue. You can't switch it.
I'm totally switching.
Oh my gosh.
Totally switching.
We have to turn this off. Enjoying the finale rally right now. We're gonna have the Macklemore boys come up, father and son. Melissa participated in the pickle challenge, which is pretty
Love
awesome.
me some pickles.
By the way, Team Phil wins. Let's go ahead and do this as well. Dustin, Leslie gave one of the best performances, one of the best efforts. Let's give them a hand for what they have done as well. Team Red.
Now, it is our honor on behalf of the entire Camp Margaritaville team, owners, myself, we're so excited to present the check for $25,000 to Jack and Shelby.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Hey, I just want to say something about these folks that put this on, the people who invented this idea out of their minds and the people who helped to put it together, because this changes people's lives. The show that they built changes people's lives. It's changed ours, and it's going to help a lot of people. So I wanted to thank them for imagining this, and then the hands that put it together. So, guys, thank you very much. It was an honor. Thank you. We also just want to thank our teammates, both on the blue and the red side.
Yes, we just want to thank everybody, whether you're red, blue, purple, but just being here is awesome!
Must be 18 to win.
I'm so sorry. That is a cool grab bag of stuff.
That is
Camp
it.
Margaritaville.
Thank you.
Right. All right, now we have the K-Box electric cooler and warmer with wheels for car and home. It's a 48 cord. Comes with a 6-foot extra long cable, dual 110
put like
volt
3 or 4
AC
tickets in
housing,
there.
full
You nailed it, bro.
It's a portable refrigerator, guys. It's a portable cooler. All right, here we go. Yellow-ish peach ticket. 472-469. The number again is 472-469. We'll get your cooler.
Thank you, appreciate it.
All right.
A little bit bigger whoop next time.
All right.
208. 472-208.
All right, guys. $2,000 value. All right, we'll have a...
472-208!
Are you kidding?
Do you even own an RV, dude? Do you even own an RV?
Oh my God!
I'm gonna get a 2-pack.
And now you're gonna get a Big Bear battery.
Let's go!
Very good.
All right, so you might as well go with the whole rig, the whole solar system.
doing it.
Let's come on. All right, just reach out to Rayleigh. She'll get hooked up with a home design.
Kidding me?
Oh, here we go.
Am I doing 2 of these?
This is the second moment people were waiting for.
Gosh.
All right, so we just wrapped up on the last day of the RV Unplugged finale rally, and
It was
honestly,
awesome.
It was amazing. If you are thinking about coming to this, you need to come to this. It was just the best time we've ever had. The kids have had a great time. We have definitely gone to rallies before, and this one was unlike any other one that we have been to.
So we didn't get to make it to RV Unplugged Season 1 rally. So we happened to be at beautiful Margaritaville, Auburndale in Florida. By far exceeded our expectations.
Oh gosh, yeah.
We met so many great people here.
Yes.
We got to interact with the cast. The crew was fantastic.
Everybody was fantastic.
We had a beautiful pull-through site here. Recommend 10 out of 10. Come to Auburndale, Margaritaville.
Yes. One other thing too is a lot of rallies don't always do stuff for the kids, and I'm telling you, like, our kids are exhausted. They did not want to get up today. They're so tired.
I didn't want to get up today.
Well, you never want to get up.
Yeah. Brett.
That's going on the blooper.
Because